Okay, y'all, networking is really just a businessy type of way of saying build relationships. So in this video, we are going to talk about ways you can build your relationships both online and off, and it will only take 5 minutes a day. That's right, 5 minutes a day to have closer, stronger relationships, both for personal and professional use. So I am Cassandra, and I help motivated professionals build their careers and businesses through practical tips that help build career confidence. With that, let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, you know I have to say all the things. So please subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you know when new videos come out, and give this one a thumbs up if you like LinkedIn and networking content. Now, with that done, first thing I want you to do is 2 minutes a day, scroll the LinkedIn homepage. So scroll your feed, read the comments, read people's posts, like things, comment on a post, look who's having a birthday, put in happy birthday, and it'll auto-populate that. Go the extra mile and put their name, maybe an extra like, hope you have a great day. You're gonna stand out from everybody else doing that, and just kind of scroll and do those sorts of things. Really quick, easy things, and yet they'll go They'll go the distance for you. So literally 2 minutes scrolling, liking, commenting. Pretty easy. So next, I want you to text a couple people. Now, full disclosure, this tip is not mine. I got this from Jordan Harbinger and I thought it was excellent, so I thought I would pass it on to you. So what you do is you're going to go to the bottom of your messages on your phone. So you're on your phone, go to messages, scroll till you hit people at the very bottom. So these are people you haven't talked to in a while. Take 3 of them a day, click on the first one, and send a message that just says something like, hey, haven't talked to you in a while. You came to mind though today, and I would love to know how you're doing. I'm sure you're busy, but if you get the chance, I would love to just hear a little bit about how life's going. Just was thinking of you. Something very easy, and you don't even have to put the person's name, so you can copy paste that message each time. Y'all, I did this because I don't make you do anything I haven't done. I did this and I was shocked by the responses. Like the first person I hadn't talked to in over a year and commented, like texted back within 30 seconds, and we set up coffee. Crazy. All 3 people wrote me back, and all 3 were people that I had not talked to in months to a year, which hopefully now that I'm doing this more won't happen, but it had been a really long time and they still replied. So I really challenge you to give this one a try. So these steps, liking, comment, sharing, wishing people happy birthday, congrats on jobs on LinkedIn, and then texting them, they aren't going to build deep relationships in and of themselves, but they're a great starting point to build deeper relationships, right? They're a great starting point to get back in touch with somebody that you haven't seen in a while, or to stay top of mind for a business contact so that down the road you all can get a drink together, get coffee, and build that relationship even farther. That takes a little more than 5 minutes a day, so this is just a nice keeping in touch sort of thing. And I know a lot of people hate small talk, but here's the thing. We can't get to the deeper conversations until we've built trust in those small talk relationships. So start doing these quick little small talk, thinking about you things, and then you can get to those deeper relationships later on down the road. So before we end for the day, don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. You can find my profile in the link below. If you are watching these videos, I would love to connect with you. Just make sure you add a note letting me know you watch the videos so I know to connect. But that is it for today. I hope this video has been helpful, and now in just 5 minutes a day, you can do 2 quick things to start building and furthering your relationships. With that, I will see you in the next one. Bye!